Hello? Barrister Congo. Good day. Yes, I'm perfectly fine. Peaceful as ever. Hmm. Please, could you come to my house? No, 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 there's no problem. Hmm. Yes. Um, please, can you make it snappy? I want my will prepared today. Yes, it's all right. I'll be waiting. Hmm. Thank you very much. Bye.
Contractor, it's a deal you must fulfill. It's the verdict. It's the verdict now. You just confirm it. The verdict is given. It's the verdict. Sealed by blood. Guilty as charged. Nothing you can do. Can't you see? My heart is broken. Oh, my eyes weeping. Going a little. So many death, so many pain, so many tears, so much regret.
Festus, good day. You said you're not fine. What's the problem?
I'm really not fine. Just I've been thinking a whole lot. Your friend is acting all strange. I don't understand why.
Strange?
Yeah,
You're talking about Glory, right?
please. Do you know if there's anything bothering her that you know? Because I've asked her severally and she can't tell me what her problem is. But deep down I know she's not fine. Do you know of anything bothering her as a close friend to her? Do you know if there's anything at all, anywhere? Just tell me.
No. None that I know of.
Titi, apart from being my fiance's boom companion, you're also my good friend. Okay, I want you to open up and talk to me. Don't hide anything from me, please.
Festus, I am not lying to you. I don't know anything that is bothering her. As a matter of fact, we spoke this morning and she said nothing.
She said nothing, and yes, she was asking me if I love her sister.
What?
Yes, and she meant it.
She said that?
Yes. She meant it. Like, do I love her sister? Will I like to have anything to do with her sister? I'm like, how?
She said that?
Oh yes, that was what she said. So you see, it's not normal. Something is definitely wrong. Please, you need to help me find out. Please, please.
Oh, okay. Okay, I will.
I beg you. This is really very important to me. You know that, right? Please.
I will.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's a bargain, it's a contractor. It's a deal you must fulfill. It's the verdict. It's the verdict now. You just confirm it. The verdict is given. It's the verdict. Sealed by blood. Guilty as charged. Nothing you can do. Can't you see? My heart is broken. Oh, my eyes weeping. Going a little.
Young lady, police is your friend. Can you tell me the truth?
What truth again?
Did you do it?
I've told you countless times that I am innocent.
So
So, you prefer to suffer and rot in jail? I rather prefer to rot in jail than to say what I don't know about. Tell me the truth now. Kill me. Kill me. Do whatever you want to do with me. I'd rather die than to say what I don't know about.
So you wanna run with a high class in society? You don't care what price you have to pay, just as long. The season is
Sister, he called me.
but the seed is already stolen.
Sit down.
So how much is your soul? Someone, please wake me up. Oh no, it's not a dream. It's a bargain, it's a contract. It's a deal you must fulfill. It's the verdict. It's the verdict now. You just confirm it. The verdict is given. It's the verdict. Sealed by blood. Guilty as charged. Nothing you can do. Can't you see? My heart is broken. Oh, my eyes weeping. Going a bit alone. So many days.
What is really going on?
So many tears. So much regret. I could ever. It's too late.
I called you both here because I have something very important to talk to you about.
Okay. I'm all ears.
I need you to promise me that you will do it.
I've always done whatever you ask me to do. I've always been there for you.
Jennifer. Sister. You know I have struggled so hard. I have worked so hard to make sure that you are fine. Yes, sister. I have done everything possible to make sure you have a good life. My love.
Sister, you're scaring me. What's going on?
Exactly. Like, I don't understand what is going on. If there's anything you want to say, you can always open up and talk to me.
I have struggled.
Can you please talk to me, please?
I have tried. I have done everything to make sure I leave. But it's obvious God doesn't want to turn back the hands of time.
What does that mean?
Sister, please talk to us. What is it?
I am going to die. But I don't know when.
Sister, please just stop it. Just stop it already because you're not going to die.
You say? Hey, look. Can you please stop this now? Can you stop this? Can you talk to me? Are you sick?
I am not sick.
Hey. Talk to me.
Talk to us. What is it?
This is your ring. I want you to marry my sister when I am...
No, you're not going anywhere.
What's going on? I'm talking to you. What in God's name is going on?
I am dying. Just stop. I am going to die.
Sister, you will not die. Please stop. What is she saying?
Look, my heart is beating so fast now. Can you please talk to me, please?
I just need you to do as I have said.
Do what?
Please. Please. Please.
What's going on?
Babe. Okay, your sister can excuse us. If you don't want to say anything,
there is nothing else left to say. There is absolutely nothing left to say. I just need you two to be together. I need you to promise me that you two are going to be together. That is the only way I would find peace after death.
Sister, you're not going to die. Stop saying it. You're not dying.
I am dying.
You will not die. Stop it.
I am dying. I can't help it. I can't help it. I am dying. I am going to die.
What have you done? How you gonna run? How far you gonna run? How far you gonna run? What have you done? What have you done?
Modu. Turugbake. Woke agụ soro ụzọ n'ụzọ gara waka waka. Nturugbakwe jikike egbe okwe kama ngọm ọhọ. Hello, hello, wara ododo ye onye nwa kwuru gaja wole. One of you has agreed to pay the ultimate price. Step forward. Patata, shina, were kururo murenya.
Thank you.
I want to tell you that
Thank you for doing this for us. Thank you. Thank you.
Glory, listen. You don't have to do this, okay?
You
You don't have to do this. Listen. We can all pay the price. You don't have to do this. Glory, please. I can't let you do this. I beg you.
Don't make her change her mind. She can do it.
Glory, listen to me.
Thank
Wait.
you. Don't make her change her mind. She can do it.
Glory, hold on. Glory, listen to me. Just listen to me. Listen. You're my friend. You're my best friend, okay? I will never lie to you. Please don't do this. Please. I can't just bear it. Glory, please. I beg you. I beg you, please. Listen. We can pay the price. We can all pay the price. I beg you. You don't have to die for us. What's it? We are not what
Glory, thank you for doing this for us.
I beg you.
Patata, shina, were kururo murenya. I want to challenge you that Bubu Mana no water, Chiruma, Chikwasi, and Urubu. Oburupa Wayamu, no water, Balagde, Jakori, Janjani, Tebugoka, on a mayor, or any quack, Tata, shina, were Kuro Muranya, no one to challenge you that Bubu Mana no water, Chiruma, Chikwasi, and Urubu. Oburupawa no wuta balagda jakori janjani tebugoka on emelu ora nyikwa kwere nikwa o. Egbere ba akuko. Trubeke. Okagu soruzo no zogada waka. Otropoko jikike gba kwe kamenga mo ho. We are ready for the sacrifice.
Queen Mother. Titi. Miracle. I have decided to give up my own life so you all could live. But that is on one condition.
Go ahead and state your condition.
For every trip made by the club members, my own share of the proceed should be given to my sister.
Glory. Your request to be duly observed. Always.
I'll miss you all. I will miss you so dearly.
Johnny will.
You will always remember this.
Always. Farewell. My best friend. Farewell.
continue to protect you, Glory. I will always pray for you, Glory. Thank you so much. You will forever remain in our hearts.
It is time for the journey of no return. Choose this way.
You can still change your mind, Glory. Please don't do this, please. I beg you.
Glory. You can still change your mind.
Yes.
Hi.
Thank you
It's
so
not
much.
by force.
Thank you for...
Give you with the one hand. You go take them with another hand. So I see the pop champagne. They spend money they go. Remember your birthday come. Whatever you've been given.
Thank you.
He's taking
Thank you for
away.
saving us.
One way or another. Mindlessly, cause he truly doesn't care. Guess and show. My sisters guess and show. Make we guess and show. Cause he truly doesn't care. You cash out door. So the devil cash out door. I see the cash out door. The devil is safe, the cash out door. For your body, think well. Make you think well. Make you use and show. You hear me now? Devil will give you with one hand. He go take up with another hand. So I see the pop champagne. Spend money to go. Remember your birthday they come. Whatever you've been given, he's gonna take it away. One way or another. Be careful what you do. Yeah, there's not a joke.
Let's give a minute silence to our beloved sister.
Make you use and show. Make you think well. Guess and show.
May her soul rest in the bosom of the Lord. Amen.
It's Queen. I haven't seen my sister since today. She didn't tell me when she was leaving and she didn't tell me where she was going to.
I've been calling her lines. They are all switched off.
Glory. Where could she be?
I don't know. My sister has been acting strangely lately. Wish I came to your house to tell you about it.
Yes. I remembered. Have you called Festus?
No. He's here.
Good day, Queen.
Hi, Festus, how are you?
I'm okay. Titi, you good? Jennifer. What's good? Please, would you help me call Glory, please?
Festus, I'm the one that sent for you.
Pardon?
I sent for you.
Oh, okay.
Yes. There's a situation. The club went for picnic and, our normal picnic to have fun. But something very terrible happened.
Okay.
As we were, marrying, the party was on and we had people shouting. We don't know how it happened.
What happened? What? Auntie Queen, please just speak up. What happened?
Can you talk, please?
What's going on?
One thing leads to another. While we were marrying, Glory.
Where's Glory? Where's Glory?
What happened to my sister? What happened?
Glory did what, please? Can you talk, Queen? Glory did what?
Glory.
Titi.
Glory.
Titi, what happened to my sister?
She got drowned.
Jesus. What?
We sent the divers to search for her body, even to the deepest deck of the beach.
Jesus.
Her body was nowhere to be found.
Oh, wait. What is she saying?
Wait.
Where?
Where?
What happened to my sister?
Queen, can you talk?
Glory is dead. Her body was not found. We reported the police already and everything.
Jesus.
Jennifer! Jennifer! Jenny! Please! Get the car key! Let's rush her to the hospital. Jennifer! Oh my word!
You gotta take 'em with another handle. So I see the pop champagne now. They spend money to go. Remember.
Sweet. Sorry.
You guys are welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Sweet, I know you're not fine. And we are also not fine because of your condition.
Do not worry. Do not worry about me. I have accepted my fate.
No. Even at that, I am seriously pained. I am not happy. Even this police, they know the truth. And they don't want to admit it. They know the truth.
Watch your mouth, woman.
I don't understand, but what she's saying is the truth. I mean, what else do you want to hear from her that you've not heard or that she has not said?
I'll get both of you arrested if you continue this.
Oh, really? Do it. Cuff me. You think we are scared of getting arrested? Huh? Do it. See, what you guys are doing is wrong. You and I know that she is innocent. Why not take her to court or release her?
I don't know.
This is not right.
It's okay. You guys should calm down.
It's not okay, please. But this is wrong.
It's fine. Just calm down. How is Angel?
Angel is at home.
Does she know you guys are coming here?
She knows.
Has she ever come to see you?
No, I don't want to see her.
Do not worry. I'm very sure God will vindicate you.
Amen.
The world will know that you're innocent.
Anyways, Don't give her that food.
Oh yeah. If a devil to give you with a one hand, he go take him with another hand. So I see the pop champagne, they spend money they go. Remember your birthday they come. Whatever you've been given, he's taking away, one way or another, mindlessly, cause he truly doesn't care. Guess and show, my sisters guess and show, make we guess and show, cause he truly doesn't care. Still cash out, oh. Now so the devil a cash out, oh. I see the cash out, oh. The devil is safe, the cash out, oh. For your body, think well, oh. Make you think well, oh. Make you use and show. You the hear me now, oh.
We are back on track. This time in a plural form. And I want us to toast to that. Your glasses? I want us to toast to life. To freedom. And to more money. Cheers.
Cheers to freedom from the shackle of death.
Yes. Sit, please.
Thank you, Philmond.
Oh my God. May the souls of all our departed members of Fellas Club COC rest in the bosom of the Lord.
Amen.
Girls, you know, for so long we have turned down business offers. We have turned down so many proposals because of the shackle of dirt looming around us. Fear for life. May I announce our reopening with an offer from Josmark. Josmark from Brazil. He is giving an offer of 3 kg swallow of COC from Brazil to South Africa. Are we game?
Of course. Of course. We're game. Yes, we are.
Cheers then. To more money.
Cheers to more money. Cheers to success. More deals. More deals. I think you should take it upstairs.
Okay. To Jennifer, Oga Festus was here.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
When did he come?
Yesterday, and I told him you are not yet back.
Oh. Don't worry, I'll call him.
Alright, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's go inside. Welcome.
Thank you.
Who will be my companion? Who will treat me the way he used to do? Who will call me those pet names like you always do? I'm so lonely in this world.
Oh my God. Auntie Chi. Give me. Stop now. Why are you crying? Stop crying. You have been crying since. Right from the village. Stop doing this to yourself, please.
Let me cry. Allow me to cry.
No, you don't have to cry. Cry will bring her back. Please stop crying.
I am left alone in this world.
No, shh, don't say that. Don't say that. I'm here. Mama is there for you. All you have to do is just to pray for her soul to rest in peace.
I miss her so much. I missed her.
I do. I missed her too. Come on, stop crying. Come on. Don't worry, I'm here for you. Stop crying. It's okay. Anything is fine. Stop. It's okay. It's okay.
See, ndị Igbo tụrụ inu wee sị na ọ bịara igbu m ga-emecha gbuo onwe ya. Normal level. You guys don't know what Sweet wanted to do. She wanted to push this case to my head. But trust my God. Oh, hallelujah.
I have told you countless times. That was not the intention at all. She never wanted to implicate you.
That was exactly what she did. By telling the police that I was not in good time with Jesse. That's exactly what she did. But trust my spirit now. She did not ask question. Yes. Because if she did, she would have known that I have a strong spirit. And my spirit will never allow me to suffer what I know nothing about.
Angel. Angel. Eteloma, etelose. You have to go and see her. Even if it's once, please.
And I will never do such. I need to go.
Babe, before this whole thing happened, we were friends, so we have been friends. Is it not?
We were not friends. Because if we were friends, Sweet wouldn't have tried to get me implicated. No, she wouldn't have tried doing that.
Angel, let me ask you one question.
I'm all ears.
If you were to be Sweet that the police asked that question, what would you have said?
Sorry, what question are you talking about?
That same question. If you knew anyone that is not in good terms with Jesse, what would you have said?
Now, can you both listen? I want to bring something to your notice. That when Jesse got missing, we all protected Sweet, knowing full well that she sent Jesse out. So what are you guys telling me? What are they do like say I don't know what they happen now?
That is a normal thing now. Is that not what we all do? The other day you sent me to a man in GRA. I went, I came back, and I gave you court. So what are we now saying?
Now, do you know that if anything had happened to you, I would be held responsible? Why would not they do like saying I know they understand what's in the play?
Angel. Angel, why are you always like this? This is one reason I pick up quarrel with you. You're just so annoying. Listen, Angel. If anything should happen to Sweet, if Sweet goes to jail, you will forever be my enemy.
Like I care.
Like you care. Is that what you're saying? When it happens, you will care. Did you hear me? You will care.
See, all I know is that when you guys are done blabbing, you do what you ought to do. See, if Sweet lies, let her go to jail for all I care. In fact, she can even die by hanging.
You want to bring what I don't know about, and you want to implicate me by all means, and you expect me to just sit down and cross my leg. No, I'm not a fool.
Hi.
Hi, Okoli.
Yeah, please, my name is Festus. I'm looking for Jennifer.
Okay. Make yourself comfortable. Let me call her.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, Festus.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine. You're welcome.
Thank you. How was your trip?
Thank God for Johnny Mercy.
I missed you.
I missed you too. Shukuma told me you came.
Oh yes, I came, but you were not back yet.
Festus, thank you very much for your support during my sister's burial.
Hey, you don't need to thank me. I did what I had to do.
My mother sent her regards.
How is she?
She's very okay. I came back with my cousin, Ifeanyi. She insisted that I can't stay in this house all alone.
Oh yes, that's actually true. Yeah. You need company at this point in time.
Honestly, and I do appreciate that.
You okay?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Hey, I know it's hard for you to forget what happened, but you really need to. Okay? You really need to brace yourself and be strong. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
It's alright. You're welcome.
Ngozi, what are you both doing here with this devil?
I beg your pardon, what do you talk?
Don't beg my pardon. You are the least person I expected to see here.
Sweet, please calm down.
Don't calm me down. And as for you, just pray to your God that I don't get out of here alive. Because if I do, both of us will not live to see the next day. Officer, take me out of here.
Sweet. Hey, shut
just up. Pray.
Don't shut up. Don't shut up. Get arrested. Okay, come and arrest me. Sweet.
This is all your fault. This is all your fault.
Please. You have to make peace with her. She's not happy with you.
Hello. Hey. How are you doing? I'm fine. You're welcome. Thank you. How are you doing? I'm good. So when did you get back? A few days ago. Okay. So how is Auntie Queen? Auntie Queen is fine. She's good. I'm sorry. I know you have cried very well. But I want to tell you, no amount of tears would bring back your sister. You just have to stop and move on with your life, please. Please. Thank you very much. Oh, gosh. I'm sorry, eh? It's please. Okay. Take heart. God is my strength. Of course. So sad. So, what will I offer you? Anything chilled. Okay. Ifeanyi. So, where is school? Fine. Oh, good. Keep pushing. You're welcome. Thank Thank you. Please get us wine from the bar.
Okay.
So, high school, keep pushing, keep going every day, trying to acquire more knowledge, I really missed the lot in school, but definitely I know I'll cover it. Of course, sorry, my friend. Yeah, it's well. Thank you. Thank you, my dear. Because they said let me come around today to see you because I know you almost cry off your eyes. You can see how red they are. So, God is my strength, so my dear. Thank you. Make yourself comfortable. Nice, starting here. Okay. So, once I resume school, you have to cover more studies, because during the burial, I missed a lot. Without being told, I know. Yeah, it's very important. Carry over. Oh, no. Don't miss anything like that. No, please, I can't.
You guys are the cause of this unnecessary insult. Just imagine, just see the way she insulted me back there because of you guys.
Really? We did not cause anything, no Angel. We did not cause anything, you did.
If the both of you did not drag me down to this place, there is no way she would have had the guts to speak to me the way she did. Did you see how she spoke to me?
You should know that Sweet is frustrated at the moment. Don't blame her.
Oh, really? Does it look like I care? See, I said everything I said to the police. I did not add and I did not remove. Everything I said to them is exactly what happened. So what do you have me do? Oh, really? Why are you guys now acting as if I did something so serious?
Really? You told them exactly what happened, right? You shouldn't have said that to them. You shouldn't have.
Are you serious? So what would you have me do? No, answer me. What would you have me do? When Sweet told the police that I was not in good terms with Jesse.
Please, enough of all these unnecessary arguments. You are not even accepting your faults. Please, let's leave here.
Oh, really? Really? Like, seriously? It's none of your fault. It's my fault.
Who's there? Angel. Come inside now.
Sweet, I don't want to come inside. Please come, I need to talk to you.
What happened? I hope all is well.
All is not well. All is not well, Sweet. Sweet, problem dey. See, for over 1 week now, I never see shishi. I never see 1 naira. Nobody don't ask me whether they sell. Abi I need they sell. Sweet, I don't know who they do me, oh. I know that person they follow me from village. Even ordinary 1K short time, I never see you do. You know, this is a problem there.
Wait, chill first, chill. I don't understand. I thought you went out for hookup last night.
Sweet, I went out, but it did not work. If that's not my girlfriend who I see yesterday, now trek for trek come back this house.
Is it that serious?
He pass. He don't pass hand.
So, what actually happened?
Can you imagine the idiot that pulled me out of this house yesterday? When I reach inside, idiot open his mouth, will be like gutter. They tell me say you no get money. See, normal level, you know say Asha won't need a beg.
Yes, now.
Oh girl, if you see where they beg this guy.
Hi.
If you see where they beg this guy, at the end of the day, even shishi, he no give me. Sweet, I don't know who they follow me on. Sweet, I don't know who they do me. I know they're not from this, from my village. I been from this compound. I person where they do me from. I don't know who are your friends where they do me on.
Calm down. Now wow, this one a bad market, oh. So how do you cope?
My girl, I'm not gonna lie you. Normally, you know say you na my person. Even if I like give another person, I don't feel like give you. Girl, I dey suffer. If landlord come here today now, I go lose my house. Wait till even carry me come here now to ask whether you get buyer because I won't sell this phone. I beg you, get person go buy phone, I won't sell.
You don't reach like that.
You don't pass.
Hey, calm down. Hey, now wow. Hi. Okay, I come. Excuse me, I come.
I don't know. Make everybody they hear my voice now. If now you they follow me, better leave me, oh. I don't offend anybody, oh. If now you be rich and they follow me for you, better leave me. I don't offend anybody, oh.
Angel, don't do now. Why they make noise? Actually, inside they come.
At the first.
You want to share everybody in the house. See, take. You see this money? Use and pay for your room. The one where you remain, use and take chop.
Oh my God. See, wetin I wan do for this house if no be you? Wetin I wan do for this place if no be you?
You don't do.
Bless you.
You don't do. See, one more thing. I have a connection for hookup tonight.
It's a lie. Hit me! Hit me, sweet, hit me!
I get connection for hookup
Oh, louder.
See, calm down. JC and others don't know about this.
Oh.
It's just both of us.
Okay.
We're going to hit this deal.
Okay. Okay.
I know what you want.
Hey, how much?
I know
How
what
much
you
are we
ask.
talking about now? How much? Tell me.
You know, say me no dey do small children thing.
I believe you.
50 pa.
Hey!
50 pa.
Sweet, I won't shout.
No shout. 50 pa. And on top of them, our cap money no dey. Our cap money no dey inside. Just the 50 pa na our own. You know say they do small children. Sweet, I believe you.
I believe you.
I beg go
Come, hug me. I beg. It's too much.
I beg you don't do. Go
See,
dress.
I'll go buy food. Make I chop food. If I chop, then I go dress.
No, I
My God! I believe you. I believe you. This girl.
My short girl, not
Hey.
too happy, oh. I beg, make sure say you pay for your room, oh. So I won't use that money now, go take smoke.
Sweet.
Yes, ma'am.
Come out. I don't understand.
My goodness.
audacity for me. Titi, you're the last person I expect to hear this from.
Why?
Because Glory was your best friend. Your best friend, Titi. And this was our initial agreement from day one, right?
Oh, yes.
So why are you spitting trash? Why would you just open your mouth and say rubbish?
Agreements with a dead person?
Oh, shut your mouth up. What the heck is wrong with you? What has come over you? What are you talking? A debt you and I supposed to pay, and someone willingly volunteered and paid the debt with an agreement, and you want us to do away with the agreement? Why? Have you started sniffing something? Are you on crack? I warned you. Who sells crack? Don't do crack.
Queen Mother, you guys are misunderstanding me. I am not saying we should do away with the agreement. What I'm saying is, we shouldn't share the money 50-50. I mean, that girl did suffer to make the money with us. What are we talking about?
Shut your fucking mouth, you stupid fellow. Like, did you really say this? Are you really saying this? Hell no, this is not coming from you. This girl in question is not just your friend, but your best friend. What is wrong with you?
Hey, Jesus. Julie, did you just speak to me in such manner? I will say more if you just say a word. You're stupid. You are very stupid. You are senseless. You are a fool. If you talk, I will slap you. Who is this girl? Are you mad? Julie, listen. If you step an inch close to me, I will show you the... You can't do anything! You can't do anything! You're a crazy bastard! Don't look at this girl! Your best friend!
Shut your mouth.
Shut up!